If you want to create Galaxy avatar on Samsung Galaxy A17, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down until you find advanced features. And then in here, you should be able to find Galaxy avatar. Over here, we can press create new avatar. In order to create your own one, we can start with one of these presets that we have over here. And then we can just press this check over here. You can also create an avatar using your camera, or you can create an avatar from image if you want to. So let's go ahead and press this check. Let's use this pre-made character. Of course, we can still customize it. So over here, we can change hair, we can add mustache or beard, and so on and so forth. So lots of different look customization in terms of looks. Over here, we also have a style, so you can change clothes and so on and so forth. And once you are done with the customization, you can just press save here in the top right corner. And there we go. And this is how we can create a Galaxy avatar. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.